All right, let's check out some trading here.
Good day, guys. As you all know me, as a mentor, Nasdaq Ninja. So, guys, if I can continue, can you please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you can
Okay,
get
I've already
notified
liked.
once I upload. So, at this point, guys, I'm actually looking at the market. Uh, you can see
US30.
actually I'm even having like a setup that I did on the previous video, showing you guys what is it that you may really expect, and you can see that the market actually took me out here and then it took the time and it went to the top side, so which is something that really,
I blew today.
that's
Ish.
most of the people, if they find themselves in that kind of situation, they start losing motivation, and uh, it is what it is. So I'm going to analyze the market and then I'm going to start from the highest time frame to the lowest time frame, like as usual and normal. We do the same thing every day so that you guys can learn how to actually analyze this chart. Understand, guys? Let's make sure we like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so that when I upload, you can get notified. Because if I upload and you didn't hit that notification bell, you might not be able to uh see the video and you see it later. And you can see that the market at this point is just moving just good. I don't think there's a problem here. We just push into the top side, and this is what I'm looking for. We're on a bullish momentum, and when the market is on a bullish momentum, I don't like coming in that area and think of selling opportunities. I'm just thinking of more buying opportunities from the
Of
case.
course, of
So I'm just
course.
gonna push to
Follow the
H4
trend. Follow the
and see
trend.
what is it that is going on. So I can see at this point it's just buying good. When the market is just pushing at its own direction, I don't like making myself a superhero and say, oh no, the market will reverse. No, why not? Why should it
Yeah,
reverse?
you're
Are
gonna
you
blow.
are you the market? You understand? So at this point, I'm looking for buying opportunities using zones only. So tactically here, so I'm gonna look for my buying opportunities from the point that it is there, and then push further more to the top side. So that's how it is. That's how I trade. I don't actually confuse the setup or anything. So this, it was
Mm,
new highs, then probabilities of us breaking it when we are live trading, it will be high here. We're gonna be live trading soon. Let me see the time. Yeah, we're gonna be live trading around 15:30. So I hope and believe if you are in this YouTube channel and you're my student, you should be ready. Guys, make sure you WhatsApp me to check us our live trading. So if you can see here, I'm just gonna push further more to 30 minutes time frame and see what's really happening here. There's a certain point here. That's good. It's super good. So yeah, I'm looking for more buying opportunities, most especially because it's a downtrend. So you need to push further more to the top side. So yeah,
mm.
that's how it is, guys. That's how it is. Let's push to NAS 100 and see what is it that NAS 100 are you doing? Okay. I like holding gold and NAS 100. I like holding gold and NAS 100, because I think a lot long-term base, they do respect and they don't just turn around during the road of the market. They just push further more. So from Nasdaq at this point, I'll tell you guys if I'm gonna enter it or not. I think it's still buying opportunities because it's still buying and it retested at the back. So yeah, buying opportunities aside, guys, I just don't have like proper analysis that I can provide for you all. So you can see that from NFP, the market just kept on rising to the top side, and which is so beautiful. And then from the point that it is not buying opportunities here, we're gonna buy here. We need to buy here because here it's just people gonna be taken out there. We need to come back and buy here. So I'm gonna be waiting for my buying opportunities here. And then I hope and believe I'm gonna be eating very well here. It can reverse, but it won't be
Eating very
for
well.
too long. So let me just, the market is just pushing to the top side. Sometimes we don't have to be surprised when the market takes certain movements, because this is a market, man. You understand. So that is why I say when you trade, man, you need to understand what you're actually doing. Because if you don't understand what you're doing, what is it that you will be doing at the end of the day? Understand? So yeah, guys, let's make sure, guys, we trade with the best. I just dropped the Profem in the description, guys. Make sure you use that Profem, guys, because it's one of the greatest at this moment. I'm gonna announce it on my socials very soon, guys. I'm just thinking on how I can announce it, understand? So that you all can have a wonderful thing. So, guys, make sure you tell me what type of content you guys really want so that I can create for you guys. Let's look forward into trading. Let's look forward into trading and make sure that we are always there, because the market, if you leave it, it will leave you. But let's just make sure we're there. Let's make sure you subscribe, guys. Make sure you tell your people to watch my video so that they can learn trading. Thank you.
Okay, nice, nice, nice. I like how he drew the support and resistance, and basically, kind of identified the zones, and very simple. And yeah, and is able to say, hey, let me wait for the opportunity so that I can strike. I like this. So I already like the video, and I'll be following him for sure. Okay, I'm followed already. Um, so yeah, just notification bell for all. All right. Oh, thank you, Nasdaq Ninja. Until next time, I will definitely be reacting to it. Today I blew. I blew today. Damn it. But it's part of the game. All right. Subscribe, like, and share. Be back for more. Let's go.